punch the ramps. Now let's shock the ramps.
Shock it in ice water. There you go.
Now we're gonna make the dough. We add 1 teaspoon of salt. The dough has to rest. Let's make the filling. First, it's ground beef.
No, ground beef, honey.
Ground beef.
Oh, that's fine.
First, we add soy sauce.
Squirt, squirt, squirt. Now let's add sesame oil. Okay, so again, kind of spread it around, you mean? Oh, that's too much. Thank you. Okay, now a big pinch of sugar. Yeah. Let me see how big is big. Okay, that's perfect. Thank you. I normally wouldn't add that much sugar, but you add a little bit too much sesame oil. I was afraid that it's gonna get too bitter. Okay, now freshly ground black pepper, please.
Now we add dry sherry.
A little bit more, just a little bit more.
A pinch of MSG.
MSG, okay. Thank you.
Let's have a teaspoon of salt. I almost forgot the secret ingredient.
What's the secret ingredient?
You know what? Lard.
Lard! All right, here we go.
Meat pie success.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, look how juicy it is, Ning Ning. Hey, who foraged the ramps?
Me.
You did? Is it yum yum?
Especially the wrapper.
Friend of me, any me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me.